Immobiliser fitting. This is a 2019 Jaguar F-Pace Protective, a Halo Mini with total kill and tracking. So the way it works, a thief grabs this key, goes to steal the vehicle, it's just going to come up saying key not detected. They're going to be unable to drive it away. So for the customer, they'll pop a code in. We have a 1 2 3 4 5 6 for a code. We get a flash and we can start. This code can be a minimum of 3 presses to a maximum of 21, totally up to them. With this Halo Mini system as well, you can go into service mode. So when it goes back to Jaguar, obviously it's just a normal vehicle. With the total kill setup, if you go on holiday, leave this vehicle, or you give a friend a code, they keep the car for too long and they're not giving it back, you can go to cut off within the app, input a password. We'll just pop the customer's password in, tap OK. Now the command's sent successful. Whether it's in service mode, your friend's got your code, they're not giving the car back, you can totally kill it. So as you see, it's not going to start. We'll pop the code in that your friend may know, you may have given it to them, it's just not going to accept it. So we'll just do it again, 1 2 3 4 5 6. It's not going to accept the code, they're going to be unable to drive the car. The only way for you to be able to drive it now is to recover it within your app once you've got to the vehicle. So we'll go back in, click recover, control fuel recover, pop the customer's password in, press OK. Now the command's successful, it's going to accept that code. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, and now we can start the vehicle. So as you see, that's total kill. Whether they've got your code, you've left it in service mode, taken it to the dealer, it's been stolen from there, or you just go on holiday, leave it in valet parking, you don't want anyone to be able to drive it, put it into total kill mode, and the vehicle's going to be undrivable, whether they've got your code or not. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, but on your day-to-day, you'll get in the vehicle, pop your code in 1 2 3 4 5 6 and start. Once again, our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.